BizHands brings businesses together so that they could benefit from one another. If they only knew that they had existed. For instance, let's take Nitin, CEO of Caltronic Controls Private Limited. Nitin is looking for an IT solution firm. And that is Maria, Director of Pulp Foundations and a loyal customer of Caltronic Controls Private Limited. Her company outsources their IT requirements to Volgatech Inc., whose CTO is Jayesh. So Nitin knows and trusts Maria, and Maria knows and trusts Jayesh. That way, Nitin and Jayesh can start doing business together. With that in mind, BizHands was designed to help businesses connect and build a trusted network, making it ideal for winning new clients or collaborating with new businesses globally. To learn more about BizHands and how it could help you grow your business, BizHands provides you with an easy and user-friendly tool to build an attractive, high-impact, visually attractive business showcase covering all important business details, including your company profile, your affiliates, past and present projects, your company's management, walkthrough videos of your factory and workplaces, financial reports, your clients' recommendations, news and press releases. Upload all your products with complete specification and description. Explain all the services you offer in detail, as well as state all your business requirements. All this and much more, all with simple mouse clicks. In order to help you grow your network, BizHands indicates how you may be related to a business you visit. You could then either connect directly or use your intermediate contacts to be introduced to one. For each of your product or service you upload, it not only generates a list of buying leads, but also draws a relation with them through your contacts, making it easier to convert them into customers. For each of your business requirements, a similar list of selling leads is generated, along with the relation you might have with each one of them. This helps you shortlist your leads and pursue those related to you first. What's more, there are a number of ways you could use BizHands to promote and advertise your business among other businesses on the internet. Place the BizHands seal as a part of your website or blog, or use your unique showcase URL chosen by you during registration and make it a part of your business card or your email signature. The seal and the URL link back to your showcase where all your potential clients can learn more about your company and maybe find a mutual contact, giving them more confidence and trust in doing business with you. Your BizHands showcase is also indexed in major search engines such as Google and can be found in its search results. You could also promote your business among all your existing contacts in your email address book, as well as social or professional networking sites. Other interactive features offered by BizHands allow you to subscribe to different businesses and be updated on their upcoming products and services, refer and recommend businesses to other businesses, be updated on your industry-specific news and information, write visually attractive newsletters or sales letters, and market it among your relevant and related industries. By being able to accomplish all this with just an internet-connected PC, BizHands provides you with the most economical way to win new businesses, be productive and at the same time cost-effective. So let's go out there and design a compelling, professional outlook for your business. Build a trusted network and open doors to thousands of clients with minimal ease. Join today, bizhands.com, the smartest way to do your business.